Want to make an extra $300 per week from home? You don't need a degree, special skills, or even experience. Just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a little bit of time. Let's dive into the top side hustles that anyone can start today. First up, online surveys and microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and User Testing pay you for simple tasks like answering surveys, watching videos, or testing websites. You won't get rich, but stacking these together can easily bring in $50 to $100 a week. Pro tip: use multiple platforms at the same time to maximize earnings. AI is taking over the world, but guess what? It needs humans to train it. AI training and chatbot testing on sites like Appen, Clickworker, and Remote Asks can pay you $10 to $15 per hour. Just a few hours daily equals $300 a week. Love designing? No? No problem. With Print on Demand, you can upload designs to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy, and they handle the printing and shipping for you. You just collect the profits. A single trending design can make you hundreds per month. Pro tip: use AI tools like Midjourney or Canva to generate eye-catching designs in minutes. Big content creators need help turning long videos into short clips. You can get paid $10 to $30 per clip just by using AI tools like V.io or CapCut. With 10 to 15 clips per week, that's an easy $300. Companies will literally pay you to refer people. Apps like Rakuten, Honeygain, and Cash App offer sign-up bonuses. Amazon Associates and ShareASale pay you commissions for recommending products. Post your link in Facebook groups, Reddit, or YouTube descriptions, and boom, passive income. There you have it, 5 easy side hustles to start making $300 per week from home. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. And if you want more side hustle ideas, hit like and subscribe for weekly money-making tips.